How to transfer money from Venmo. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Venmo. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy. First, download and install the Venmo application from your Play Store or App Store. Once you have done so, you want to open it up and you want to head into the login option and then simply log into your account. Once you have done so, on the Venmo app, go to the Me tab that you'll find at the screen at the home page, and then tap on add or transfer under wallet option. Some users may see a manage button here instead. Now, next step is to choose the instant 1.75% free, minimum of $0.25 and maximum of $25, or 1 to 3 beach days, no fee. And then tap transfer and you'll be able to easily transfer money. So this is the way you can easily transfer money on Venmo or from Venmo. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.